Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you're setting up a D-Link DIR-853 AC1300 router for the first time, this video is for you. We'll cover every step, including connecting the router to your modem, logging into the management interface, configuring internet settings, and creating a secure wireless network for your home or office. The D-Link DIR-853 AC1300 Router offers fast dual-band Wi-Fi and excellent coverage. Follow along to configure your internet connection, set up secure Wi-Fi, and optimize your router. Firstly, turn off your modem/ONT. Connect the modem's Ethernet cable to the Internet/WAN port on the DIR-853. Connect the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes stable. Connect a computer to a LAN port or connect wirelessly using the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the router label. Open a browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Enter the router's default IP in the address bar, 192.168.0.1. Now enter the login credentials. The username is admin and the password is, leave blank or use admin if required. After logging in, the D-Link setup wizard may start automatically. If not, navigate to Setup and Internet Setup. Choose your connection type based on your ISP. Save settings and reboot if needed. Now go to Wireless Settings and then Manual Wireless Network Setup. Change the SSID, Wi-Fi name, to your preferred name. Set security mode to WPA2PSK, recommended. Set a strong Wi-Fi password, minimum 8 characters. Save settings and reboot. Now restart the router. Connect devices to the Wi-Fi using the new SSID and password. Ensure the internet is working properly. Now setup complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.